So, you know, I wasn't really annoyed, but, you know, I felt a little bad. I mean, but eggs are bad on your paint, you know, so I tried to get it cleaned off there when I had a break and scrubbed it all off there. Man, it was stuck on there good, too. It got baked in the sun. I had fried egg on my car, my fender. But the weird thing is I came home, parked my truck almost in the same spot because I had more work to do out back where I parked my truck. And lo and behold, that bird was sitting right on the ground, right where I parked my truck, right where that egg would have landed. And it was just, you know, birds, they just try to do things to protect their young, and he thought I was going to probably get the rest of the eggs in the nest, so he was down there and ready to die, just so I wouldn't get near that nest again. It's crazy. I mean, that's at least what I think they do. I mean, I've seen little birds where they build nests on the ground and they chirp around and try to get your attention to steer you away from the nest. Well, that little bird, man, I could have stepped right on him and killed him if I wanted to, and he would have just had to die. My dogs, I tried to keep my dogs away because they never even got birds, because it's usually hard to catch a bird, but they, that little bird was right there. I don't know, he just thought that that's what he had to do. His little bird brain thought I was going to get the rest of his birds, so he was going to stay there. Maybe that was the male, I don't know, protecting, doing what he had to do for his female in the nest, I don't know. But that was kind of cute. He was sitting right there all hunched up, right on the ground. Okay, so I got that all the way up. Now I'm having a little issue. I can't get that, I think I gotta pull the other side off here. I got all my little cushions here to keep off the dirt. Let's see here. I gotta have a no, it's a 5/8 on there, I think. Or not 5/8. I gotta see what size this is here. So yeah, I'm grateful I have all the tools. Good job, torches, welders. They weren't free, but I've gotten them over the years, so if I didn't have all that, it would make jobs like this impossible. So I'm grateful for that. My health, that I strong. I don't want to break my face or my teeth, my shoulder, so I need a breaker bar on this one. I have to go get one. I got it. So let me spray this a little bit. Get a drink. My Hortons. Sponsored by Tim Hortens today. I'll move that up a little bit more. This a little bit more for later. These a little bit more for later. This a little bit for now. Pull this off here. I should get a longer extension. I could go up above this and spin this thing around a lot faster, but I should. So thankful that I got a back that doesn't, you know, sore, too sore, and just 2 arms to do this job. Not disabled, mentally or physically. So I'm grateful for that. If I was, I wouldn't. I'd barely have to pay. Thankful for the shade too. Pulled the truck in backwards so I could get in the shade instead of sitting in the sun. It's about 90. It's going to be today, as I said earlier.